Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Fitratun Naimah and my matrix number is A21A2840. Now I would like to present my internship at Maybank Intan. Okay, first thing first, I'll be presenting a brief background on Maybank, officially known as Malayan Banking Berhad. Maybank was founded on May 31st, 1960 by a prominent Malaysian businessman, Ho Tek Pot. Its headquarters is located in Kuala Lumpur and it is publicly listed on the Bursa Malaysia under the stock code 1155. Maybank is the largest financial services group in Malaysia and one of the most prominent banks in Southeast Asia. Over the decades, the bank has grown its portfolio to cover a wide range of financial services including commercial banking, investment banking, Islamic banking, insurance and also asset management. This diversification also allows Maybank to serve millions of customers, from individuals to large corporations across the region. Now, let's look at some key milestones in Maybank's growth and global presence. The bank was incorporated in 1960 and by 1973, it was listed on the Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange. During the 1990s and 2000s, Maybank expanded aggressively into Southeast Asia and beyond, establishing a strong regional footprint. One major milestone was the launch of Maybank Islamic in 2002, which has become one of the world's leading Islamic banks. Today, Maybank operates in over 18 countries with key markets including Singapore, Indonesia, Philippines, China, UK and also United States. Maybank's also a corporate philosophy in sum up in its tagline, which is humanizing financial services, which is a commitment to making banking more accessible and inclusive for all communities. Now, I would like to share my scope of exposure during my internship at Maybank Intan branch. I had the opportunity to gain experience in both the credit department and also the operation department. In credit department, I assisted in reviewing customer financial data to assess their credit worthiness. I also supported the loan application process by helping with documentation and learn about risk grading procedures. This gave me insight into how credit decisions are made and how the bank follows a Bank Negara Malaysia compliance standard. In the operation department, I was involved in document verification and supported loan disbursement processes. I also helped monitor repayment schedules, update account records, and perform data entry into the internal system. Additionally, I worked with different departments to help ensure a smooth workflow and communication between teams. Throughout my internship at Maybank Intan branch, I noticed that many of the tasks and experience was closely related to logistic concepts that I have learned in my course. Firstly, I was involved in process flow management, especially during loan processing and operational support. Just like in logistics workflow, every step had to be completed accurately to avoid delays or errors. Secondly, I work with a lot of information flow, such as handling customer documents and inputting data into the system. This is similar to how logistics relies on accurate data to track goods and ensure smooth operations. Third, I was exposed to risk management, especially in the credit department, where risk assessment is a key process. This experience helped me understand how business, including logistics companies, evaluate and manage risk before making decisions. Lastly, I follow strict compliance and SOP in daily tasks. This is just like logistics, where following standard operating procedures ensures safety, accuracy, and efficiency. Next, contribution to industry. During my internship, I was actively involved in supporting the daily operation at Maybank. This is very similar to logistics operation, where efficiency and accuracy are the key. I help with tasks like transaction processing, account updates, and assisting at the front counter, which ensured a smooth operational flow. I also played a role in customer service, which is guiding customer, answering questions, and helping them complete their banking tasks. This is just like how logistics professionals deal with clients to ensure timely and accurate service delivery. Another key task was promoting Maybank's digital platform, such as MAE app and Maybank to You. In terms of distributions, this reflects how digital channels can expand the reach of services and improve accessibility for customers, just like multi-channel distribution in supply chain. Lastly, I handle documentation for customer onboarding, especially with KYC or Know Your Customers requirements. This made me realize how important accurate records are not only in finance, but also in logistics for tracking goods, shipments, and also compliance. Now, I would like to share some suggestions for improvement based on my internship at Maybank Intan. First, I noticed that parking availability is a major issue for customers, especially during peak hours. Many customers had to park far away or double park, which created inconvenience and delays. I suggest that the branch consider working with nearby property owners or the local council to improve parking space availability or manage parking flow better. Second, the ATM and CDMs machines sometimes experience technical issues or were out of service. This caused long queues and customer dissatisfaction. I believe that upgrading the machines, performing regular maintenance, or adding 1 or 2 more units could greatly reduce congestion and improve self-service efficiency. Third, during busy periods like lunch breaks and end of Mondays, the branch often seems understaffed at the counters. This results in longer waiting times and visible customer frustration. I recommend scheduling additional frontline staff or having backup support during these peak hours to ensure smoother service and better customer experience. This improvement can help the branch operate more efficiently while also enhancing customer satisfaction. As an intern, of course, sometimes I faces challenges, such as limited access to banking system software. I had restricted access to the bank internal system. For instance, when customer needed to update their account information, I couldn't perform the task directly. I had to wait for a permanent staff member to log in using their ID. In some cases, the staff was on break, which caused delay. If I passed to the customer at the counter, they often had to wait even longer due to queue congestion. This limited system access affected service speed and customer satisfaction. Next, handling customer inquiries. Some customer questions were beyond my knowledge or authority to handle, especially those related to account status, technical issue, or transaction disputes. Without full access or detailed product knowledge, I had to frequently refer customer to permanent staff. This sometimes made me feel less confident in providing support and highlighted the importance of experience and training in customer-facing roles. Last challenges I always face is time management during peak hours. Managing tasks efficiently during peak hours, such as lunch break or end of the month period, was quite challenging. The branch would be crowded and I had to juggle multiple responsibilities like guiding customers, preparing forms, and supporting front desk staff. Balancing speed, accuracy, and customer service under pressure required strong time management and adaptability, which I gradually developed during my internship. Lastly, I would like to share some of the added value knowledge and skills I gained during my internship at Maybank Intan branch. Firstly, I was exposed to real-world banking operations. This hands-on experience helped me understand how daily banking process works, such as assisting with customer forms, verifying documents, and supporting front desk tasks. It allowed me to apply what I learned in class to actual workplace scenarios. Secondly, I improved my communication skills significantly. I learned how to interact professionally with customers, especially procedures clearly, and respond to their question or concern with confidence. This experience taught me how to stay polite and calm even under pressure. Third, the internship helped me develop my adaptability and problem-solving skill. I often had to manage unexpected situations, such as helping customers who were unsure about forms or guiding them when staff were unavailable. I learned how to think on my feet and handle challenges more actively. Lastly, I experienced the importance of teamwork in a professional setting. I worked closely with different departments and supported staff during peak hours. This taught me how to communicate and cooperate with others to ensure smooth operation. Overall, this internship gave me valuable exposure that I believe will benefit for me in my future career, especially in my course, Logistics and Business Distribution. Thank you, team. Thank you, Maybank Intan, for having me. And that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye.